In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Figma plugins. Figma plugins are incredibly powerful tools that extend the functionality of Figma, allowing you to automate tasks, generate content, integrate with other services, and generally supercharge your design workflow. Getting them set up and ready to use is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each step. To begin, you'll need to open a Figma file or simply be on the canvas. To access the plugin menu, simply right-click anywhere on the blank canvas. This will bring up a context menu with various options. Among these, you'll see a section labeled Plugins. Hover your mouse over Plugins, and a sub-menu will appear. Here, you'll find options like Recently Used, Saved Plugins, and Find More Plugins. For installing a new plugin, you'll want to click on Find More Plugins. This action will open Figma's dedicated plugin browser, where you can explore a vast library of tools created by the community. Once the plugin browser loads, you'll see a search bar at the top, along with categories and featured plugins. For our example, let's say you're looking for a specific plugin like Figma Effects ProLab. You would type the name of the plugin, Figma Effects ProLab, into the search bar. As you type, the results will filter dynamically. When you see Figma Effects ProLab appear in the search results, click on its listing. This will take you to the plugin's detail page, where you can read more about it, see reviews, and view screenshots. On the plugin's detail page, you'll notice a button that says Run. This is the key step to getting the plugin working. Go ahead and click on the Run button. What happens now is that Figma initiates the plugin, launching it directly within your current file. Clicking Run for the first time also effectively installs it, making it readily available in your saved plugins list for quick access in the future, so you don't have to search for it every time. After clicking Run, you'll usually see a small window or panel pop up within Figma. This is the plugin's own user interface. From this point forward, your interaction will be directly with the plugin's prompts and controls. Different plugins will have different requirements or features. For instance, some might ask you to log in to an external service, others might present you with options to generate content, while still others will provide tools for specific design manipulations. Simply follow the instructions presented by the plugin itself to utilize its features. It might involve clicking buttons, entering text, or selecting elements on your canvas. Each plugin is unique, so take a moment to understand its interface. And that's it. You've successfully installed and run a Figma plugin. This method applies to virtually any plugin you wish to add to your Figma toolkit, opening up a world of possibilities for enhancing your design process. Happy designing!